Memories don't fade. They rust. And sometimes they ask to be found. 3 minutes of something you thought you lost. Just 3 minutes. That's all Elias and Helen were asking. But Helen has forgotten. Elias stands against loss, determined to relive every moment he shared with his beloved.
You don't choose the memory. The memory chooses you.
3 minutes of warmth. Then let it choose something that still breathes. He carried it like a fragile star. In a small brass cylinder, a lifetime sleeps. Elias knew. Up the iron stairs. Through the ticking silence of her apartment. Dust floated in amber light. The projector awakened. Softly, and the past began to breathe. A boy running through golden fields. Wind in his hair, laughter without fear. Flour on warm fingers, a grandmother's kitchen glowing at dusk. The scent of cake and childhood. The autobus to school, windows trembling with morning light. A father's steady presence, an old automobile humming on a country road. A mother's gentle hands. Helen watched as if meeting herself for the first time. An uncle who touched the sky, an aviator slicing through clouds, chasing horizons of steel and sun. Fragments, moments, pieces of her. Tears gathered like morning dew, because behind every image stood Elias, quiet, patient. He had gathered her lost days one by one, protected them, kept them safe inside a cylinder of brass and devotion. Love is the greatest archivist. Helen turned toward Elias, no longer lost, only found.